Class 6 NCERT textbook Maths page 11. Try these problems box 1. This is the second part. Problem number 2. Read these given 4 numbers and the second subdivision of the question is write these numbers using placement boxes and then using commas in Indian as well as international system of numeration. So we have a lot of things to do. We have to read the numbers first and then we have to write the numbers using placement boxes in Indian system of numeration and also using international system of numeration, and we have to write the same numbers using commas in Indian number system and also in international number system. Let us see the first tabular column with the Indian number system. Okay, now read the first number in Indian number system. 5,27,864. Next, 95,432. Next one is 1 crore 89 lakh 50,049. Next one 7 crore 2,509. Now allot the numbers from the right in the placement boxes. Okay, see we have put the columns with the units of Indian number system. Allot the digits from the right. Then using commas, how to write using commas? Write the number first. Then what is the rule for putting commas using Indian number system? The first comma should be placed after 3 digits from the right. So after 8 put a comma. Then after 2 more digits put a comma. Then after 2 digits we have to put comma, but we have only 1 digit here, so stop. That's all. We are done with first number. 5,27,864. Okay. Next, 95,432. All the digits are filled in the placement boxes from the right. Now write the number 95432. Put the first comma after 3 digits. We have only 2 more digits, so no need to put the second comma, third comma and all. Stop there. Next, write the number. Write the digits of the number. Put the first comma after 3 digits, 940. Then after 2 digits, 0 and 5, which means 50,000s. Second comma. Then after 2 digits, third comma. Similarly for the last number. After 3 digits, first comma. After 2 digits, second comma. Again after 2 digits, third comma. Now let us do the same things using international number system. Read the numbers. There in Indian number system we have 2 boxes with thousands. Here we have 3 boxes with thousands. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. 100,000 is nothing but 1 lakh. Okay. M means million, which means 10 lakh. TM means 10 million, which is equal to 1 crore. Okay. Here we will be having 3 boxes with the same unit, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Not with the same unit, under the same unit, with 3 different places. Million, 10 million, and the next one will be 100 million. Then million, billion, 10 billion, then 100 billion. In that way it will go on. Okay. So as we know very well, allot the numbers from the right in the placement boxes. The first number starts with 500,000 plus 20,000 plus 7,000, which means 527,000. Then 864. Okay. Now write the number as it is. Then put the first comma after 3 digits. Second comma should be placed after 3 digits in international system. But only we have 3 more digits. No need to put the second comma. For second number, write the first first comma after 3 digits, we have only 2 more digits, so no need to put the second comma. Then the third number has 8 digits, so put the first comma after 3 digits, second comma after 3 more digits. Third comma is not required because we have only 2 more digits. Similarly, for the last number, put the first comma after 3 digits, then again 3 after 3 digits, put 1 comma. Okay, so 70 million 2509. This one is 18 million 950,049. This number is 95,432. That's all. Now we have read the numbers. We have written the numbers in international system using placement boxes and also using commas. Now to B from page 11. Write these numbers in descending and ascending order. What do you mean by descending order? Arrangement of numbers from greatest to smallest. We know we have two numbers in 10 million places. Out of these two, 7 is biggest. So the number 700025009 is the largest number. So we have arranged the numbers in descending order from the greatest to smallest. We know very well how to write a descending order. So we have written in that way, and also we have written the ascending order. Okay, smallest number to biggest number. Then take 3 more groups of large numbers and do the exercise given above. As we are now well known with the concepts of Indian number system and international number system, I am not going to give you few more examples because you can do it yourself. Okay, all the best.